Every Thursday, Mr. Storlie hosts an engineering and manufacturing club after school at 3 p.m. Storlie explains the goal of the club and its importance.
The goal of the club was trying to kind of do projects that go beyond what we do in the classroom, and then also taking into some of the different departments in here and trying to combine their skills and trying to connect the engineering and manufacturing. Because in industry, it is a big part of kind of what industry is like.
The club works to connect the lessons taught in both the engineering and manufacturing classes offered here at McHenry.
We implement stuff we can learn in Mr. McLean's class and Mr. Storlie's class and put them together and blend them together to creative things and utilize them and actually implement them in real life situations.
Another important aspect to the club is getting to work with others. Sophomore Milo Leszewski explains why he decided to join the club.
I chose to be a part of it because it's something to do after school, and Mr. Storlie's a cool guy. I figured it'd be something fun to do with my friends after.
Students are welcome to join the club anytime. If you have any questions, reach out to Mr. Storlie.
Reporting for the Warrior Weekly were Riley Byron, Kylie Chanowski, Brielle Kakamo, and Casey Congdon.